Baka naman po, I wish some student learn to save money. That's what I wish for also for my kids. I want them to learn how to save their baons na binibigay ko everyday. My youngest one, Angelo, matipid yun. Magaling siyang ng baon niya. He knows how to save. Sometimes pa nga kapag wala akong wala akong coins, humihiram ako sa kanya. And then, magagalit siya sa akin. Sabi, si mama naman, iniipon ko nga yan eh. Yun. Ganun yung mga words na maririnig mo sa kanya. So, me naman, kapag nangihiram, nakakalimutan kong ibalik. Ayun. The rest of my kids, ay nako, walay. They don't know how to save. Only my youngest, diba? So, sino pa yung youngest? Siya pang marunong mag-save. Hello, mega love shoutout sa ating 7 million viewers. Guys, thank you so much. Nakakatuwa. I get money from doing chores. At least, diba? O at least, alam mo na yung mga gawain sa bahay. Ako naman, I teach them. I don't give money to them while doing those things. Basta, may mga kanya-kanya silang gawain dito sa bahay. Yung, hi Abdul Malik, still in the house. Yung eldest ko na babae, nasa lola niya. So, wala siya dito for this year lang naman until next year. So, ang nandito yung 3 boys ko. Washing the dishes. Wow, that's good for you, ha? You learn at that age. Okay. My 12-year-old son, he used to wash the dishes every, his schedule is panggabi. Yun. Doing the laundry. Oh! You do the laundry, Heaven. It's a very hard thing, sweeping the floor. Yeah, sweeping the floor is good. Okay po, mama. Kita lang kita, masaya na po ako. Tapos, binola mo pa ako, Ronnie. Mambubola ka talaga, Ronnie. Ang galing, no? You know, yung mga ganyang, gawain. That's good. That's a very advantage. You know what? And I have to cook. Whoa! I guess you cook like noodles, pancit canton, hot dog, something like that only. But, Lynn RM, hello! Thumbs up ho. Salamat sa pagpasyal mo, Lynn RM. Bigyan kita ng jacket, Lynn. There you go. Meron ka ng jacket. Salamat sa iyong pagbisita sa aking live, Lynn. Wow, you have very talented, tapos responsible kid. Emma Lasso to all. Ayan, Lynn RM. Yung iba dyan nakatambay na lang, nawala, na lang sila. Nagsipagtulog na yata ang aking mga pa-friendly dyan. I cook adobo and sinigang and more. Wow, wow. Baka naman tinalo mo pa ako sa pagluluto.